if you want to reset secure folder password on Samsung Galaxy A37, so if you go to the secure folder and if you don't remember the password, then you might have the option to choose forgot PIN, password, or pattern, but that is available only if you have a Samsung account added to the secure folder, if it's your Samsung account assigned to that secure folder. So in this case, you can just tap over here and then you can sign into your Samsung account to be able to reset the password. Of course, this option can be enabled if you go to the secure folder and then open settings, and then here we can go to the secure folder, lock and biometrics, and then here we have that option, allow lock reset with Samsung account. And also this is accessible if you create a secure folder. So once you set it up, then of course, so while you choose the password, you also have the option to include the Samsung account. But if the Samsung account is not assigned to the secure folder, let me actually lock it. And then if you don't remember the password, then of course there is no option to recover it like that. So the solution to get access to the secure folder back again is that we can go to settings. Then over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to accounts and backup. Over here we're gonna go to manage accounts. And then you want to choose your Samsung account, and then you want to remove your Samsung account. If you do so, let me actually sign out. Okay, there we go. So after that, if we try to open the secure folder, then you will see this information instead, that the secure folder is locked and you can either sign into your Samsung account or you can just uninstall the secure folder. So this is what we can do. We can uninstall the secure folder from our phone. Of course, whatever you have on that secure folder, it is going to be completely removed. So if you have something important, then you might want to keep trying to enter the correct password. But if you have no idea what the password is, you can just uninstall the secure folder. Of course, after that, we need to set up the secure folder again, and also you can sign into your Samsung account again. So you can open the security and privacy in settings, then go to more security settings, and then here we have the secure folder option. So of course we can set it up again. And there we go, we still have to use a Samsung account to be able to use it. So now of course we can sign in, leave a like and subscribe.